What are you doing?
I'm getting comfortable, like you said.
So we're back. It's now tomorrow, day 3.
Definitely, yes.
I was actually chatting to my man's friend over here, and something came up in our conversation was like, how does it take so long to make a song? He's like, why is the session 3 hours? What do you do for 3 hours? Like, he says to me, he knows the words, he's just coming in to perform like once or twice, do a couple of takes and then leave. Like, surely that's the extent of the session. So I decided that today we're gonna focus on how the time is actually broken down. So 1 second, entertain them for a second. Don't know if you can see that. It's 7:44 p.m. 7:44 p.m.
Nice.
And I'm gonna start setting up the mic now. Liam and I are just gonna be catching up about each other's days, how it all went.
My terrible fashion sense.
That too.
Actually, I think it's amazing. Don't at me.
And I'm gonna tell you every step of the way what the time is so that you can see how long each step of the process takes. Let's get into it. Liam, what's the time?
7:53.
Focus.
Go.
Just get it. Okay, I got it. It's chilled. Okay, it's 7:53. So that took, I don't know how long it took. I'll tell you in the edit when I edit it, because I don't know.
It took you about just under 8 or 10-ish minutes to set up the mic.
All right, let's get into it. Okay, so there's been some banter. It's now 7:59. I'm setting up the session software. We've turned on all of the processes, and then we can get into recording. Let's see how long this takes. Okay, I've just finished setting up software, and I've checked that the mic is working, and it's now 4 minutes past 8. You ready to record? You ready to warm up? We're gonna do warm-ups now.
Yeah, let's get it.
Mic check.
I need to get into some seal. What I've heard of seal is just like, wow, my heart. It's like swimming in caramel.
This is how mic check works. Basically, Liam just tells me about how he has this man crush on Seal.
Seal's beautiful. That scar gives him so much allure.
Okay, Alicia Cara. Forgot to mention, 10 past 8.
Me go.
Mic check. Okay, we're done with mic check. We're into run-throughs. So Liam's just running through all of the verses, trying to get in the fucking zone. Yeah, 8:18. Okay, so we're done with mic check. You want to tell the people where we're at now?
Right now we're about to jump into the first recording takes, so we can just experiment some different moods and see how we like the song coming through.
And it is currently 41 minutes past 8 p.m. So yeah, we're making pretty good progress. Let's jump into this. Yeah, 9:16 and we're done. Probably one of the quickest sessions ever.
Yeah, fantastic. I mean, it feels amazing to come in with something you know is really fun and you really enjoy yourself, and then see that translate into a session. Because for me, the amateur at this, who's slowly learning, it inspires so much confidence, but also a nice humble confidence. It shows you what the work does, and it shows you that this, like I said probably so many times before, is a skill and an art in its own. Like recording and writing and producing are all such beautiful things. So when you come together and you know what you're doing, it sounds fire, believe me.
I almost moved the thing in the wrong direction.
You're a master.
All right, well, we'll see you tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you got a sense of time. You have to remember though, this was blitz session. I don't know. I wasn't expecting it to, like, we recorded.
He was expecting me to be terrible.
Always expect you to be terrible. Like, we recorded and it was so good first up, and I was thinking to myself, surely it can't be this easy.
Hey.
And then it was. And I think what I learned in this session, and I think what we both learned in this session, is like sometimes it is that good.
Sometimes it's that quick, and you don't want to overdo things.
Yeah. Cool. Catch you tomorrow.